Vitamin B12, a water-soluble vitamin, is an indispensable nutrient responsible for a myriad of bodily functions. It plays a pivotal role in red blood cell production, DNA synthesis, and the maintenance of neurological health. Despite its importance, vitamin B12 often goes unnoticed until a deficiency manifests, potentially leading to debilitating symptoms. The journey of this vital nutrient from food to cells is as fascinating as it is intricate, and understanding its absorption and the factors influencing it is key to maintaining optimal health. Vitamin B12 is predominantly found in animal-based foods. In its natural state, it is bound to proteins and requires specific conditions within the digestive system for proper absorption. The process begins in the stomach, where hydrochloric acid and the enzyme pepsin release B12 from food proteins. This is the first critical step, as without sufficient stomach acid, vitamin B12 remains trapped and inaccessible. Once freed, vitamin B12 binds to a protein known as intrinsic factor, produced by the parietal cells of the stomach lining. This complex of B12 and intrinsic factor travels to the small intestine, where it is absorbed in the ileum, the final section of the small intestine. The integrity of this process depends on the health of the stomach, the production of intrinsic factor, and the functionality of the ileum. Disruptions in any part of this sequence can lead to malabsorption, a common cause of vitamin B12 deficiency. The intricacy of this process explains why deficiencies can persist even when dietary intake appears sufficient. For many, the primary issue lies in impaired absorption rather than inadequate dietary intake. Stomach acid is crucial for releasing vitamin B12 from food, and conditions that reduce stomach acid production, such as hypochlorhydria, can hinder this step. This issue is particularly prevalent among older adults, who naturally produce less stomach acid as they age. Furthermore, the widespread use of medications such as proton pump inhibitors and H2 blockers, which suppress stomach acid to manage acid reflux or ulcers, compounds the problem. Beyond the stomach, the health of the small intestine plays a crucial role. Conditions such as Crohn's disease, celiac disease, or bacterial overgrowth in the small intestine can damage the ileum, impairing its ability to absorb the B12 intrinsic factor complex. Intestinal surgeries, including bariatric procedures, can also disrupt this process by altering the anatomy of the digestive tract. Lifestyle choices significantly impact vitamin B12 absorption and utilization. Heavy alcohol consumption is known to damage the stomach lining, reducing its ability to produce intrinsic factor and stomach acid. Smoking, another detrimental habit, interferes with nutrient absorption and exacerbates the risk of deficiency. Together, these factors create a compounding effect that can lead to long-term health consequences. Chronic stress and poor dietary habits further deplete vitamin B12 stores. While the liver can store vitamin B12 for several years, persistent deficiencies in intake or absorption will eventually deplete these reserves, leaving the body vulnerable to symptoms. For individuals consuming animal-based diets, natural sources of vitamin B12 include meat, liver, fish, seafood, dairy products, and eggs. These foods provide highly bioavailable forms of the vitamin, making them ideal for maintaining adequate levels. However, for vegetarians and vegans, obtaining sufficient vitamin B12 presents a unique challenge. Fortified foods such as plant-based milks, nutritional yeast, and breakfast cereals offer viable alternatives. These fortified products contain synthetic forms of B12, which are absorbed directly without requiring stomach acid or intrinsic factor, making them particularly beneficial for those with absorption issues. Pairing vitamin B12-rich foods with complementary nutrients enhances its absorption. For example, calcium-rich foods like leafy greens and fortified plant-based milks facilitate the activity of intrinsic factor, while folate and vitamin B6 support red blood cell production, maximizing the benefits of B12. Promoting the natural production of stomach acid is a foundational step in improving vitamin B12 absorption. Incorporating apple cider vinegar diluted with water before meals can stimulate gastric acid secretion, aiding in the release of B12 from food. Similarly, consuming bitter foods or herbal digestive bitters supports the production of digestive enzymes, enhancing nutrient breakdown and absorption. Gut health is equally vital. A healthy gut microbiome improves overall nutrient absorption, including vitamin B12. Incorporating probiotics from fermented foods such as yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi helps maintain a balanced gut flora. Prebiotics, found in garlic, onions, bananas, and whole grains, nourish these beneficial bacteria, further supporting digestive health. Certain populations are more vulnerable to vitamin B12 deficiency and require targeted interventions. Older adults face multiple challenges, from reduced stomach acid production to age-related changes in the gastrointestinal tract. For this group, sublingual supplements or B12 injections bypass the digestive system entirely, providing a direct route for absorption. Individuals with gastrointestinal disorders must address the underlying condition to restore proper absorption. Medical treatment for conditions like Crohn's disease or celiac disease, combined with dietary adjustments, can mitigate the impact on B12 levels. In cases of bacterial overgrowth, a combination of antibiotics and probiotics may be necessary to restore gut balance. Vegans and vegetarians should prioritize fortified foods or supplements to meet their B12 needs. Regular blood tests can help monitor levels and guide supplementation. For those with genetic variations affecting B12 metabolism, such as MTHFR mutations, methylated forms of the vitamin, like methylcobalamin, offer a more bioavailable option. As the body begins to absorb vitamin B12 more effectively, noticeable improvements occur. Energy levels typically increase, reflecting the vitamin's role in red blood cell production and oxygen transport. Enhanced cognitive function and mood stability are common, as B12 supports neurotransmitter synthesis and nerve health. Physical symptoms such as numbness, tingling, or weakness in the extremities often resolve, and the health of skin, hair, and nails improves, indicating systemic benefits. The consequences of vitamin B12 deficiency extend beyond immediate symptoms. Chronic deficiencies can lead to irreversible neurological damage, including memory loss and impaired coordination. Severe cases may result in megaloblastic anemia, a condition characterized by abnormally large and dysfunctional red blood cells. These outcomes highlight the critical need for awareness and proactive management of B12 levels. The importance of vitamin B12 cannot be overstated. Its multifaceted role in maintaining energy, cognitive function, and overall health underscores the need for a holistic approach to nutrition. By addressing the root causes of absorption issues and implementing dietary and lifestyle changes, individuals can safeguard their health and well-being. In a world where nutrient deficiencies are often overlooked, vitamin B12 serves as a reminder of the delicate interplay between diet, digestion, and overall health. Through education and proactive measures, the risks associated with deficiency can be mitigated, ensuring that this vital nutrient continues to fuel the body's essential processes. And that's everything you need to know about the importance of vitamin B12, how your body absorbs it, and the steps you can take to maintain healthy levels. Whether it's through your diet, supplements, or simple lifestyle changes, ensuring you get enough vitamin B12 is essential for your energy, brain function, and overall well-being. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who might find it helpful, and let us know in the comments if you've had success improving your vitamin B12 levels or have any questions. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.